Welcome everybody. In this Airdrop video I'm going to show you the $13 million fund they raised, and they're rising still, so you can join immediately in this airdrop. So how you can join, I will show you everything. Their lead investors, if you noticed in here, Electric Capital, okay, they're doing well. They are couple of investors they have, they're trusted with them because they wanna make money with investing in this company. So why you will not doing any investment and getting money from this company? That is crypto company. Okay, so Nuffle Labs is going to be launched, in the crypto space. They will have a token, they will have project, so you can definitely participate in. Okay, so let's say you haven't any money at all. So now how do you can make money through online? So everything you will see in here. So A to J you will notice in here. So another thing, that Near Foundation, Near is a good token. Okay, they did invest in here as well. So if you want to see this stuff, if you want to get link of this particular Nuffle Labs airdrop, you can definitely check out description box. You will find everything. So latest post, the last post of our channel Ranga Finance. So if you don't yet join, check out description box. Everything you will find where it has join free telegram channels, you will found on there. And here if you noticed in here, so answer has in there. Okay, this is answer and cost zero, totally free. And here is answer we given, so you can join definitely. So a little bit do scroll down, and here is has their Discord, you can join them. Here is their Glax ultimate task, you need to go through that, Glax task. So here is Glax would be opened up, couple of minutes it will take because I'm using mobile data, and here is data problem available. So here is page would be like this, connect to MetaMask. I'm just demonstrated you. I'm just demonstrated you because I'm not able to show entire video. It will be so long, and Glaxtas can do everything, can everybody. So here is what you need to do is uh, Nuffle town away. Take the first step in your Nuffle. So just click on there or click on this Nuffle Labs. Okay, so follow them as well. And here is your wallet need to be connect. So back to it. Okay, so here is this task you need to do. Okay, Nuffle Labs. So Discord role, go to the Discord if you need to do. Okay, so here is, so go to the Discord, okay, and do the task of Glax as well. So data availability for fast finality, there is enough for everyone, near D and fast finality layer AVS enough said. So if I go through this, let me see what happened. So maybe I need to go another browser. Let me see what happened on there. So let's say I choose this one, my network problem maybe would be solved, and I would be able to enter these apps, and where I can show you the ultimate work, that what it takes to get money from there. Okay, so it's as much as straightforward. Okay, that way I need to back in here. So here is, it's as much simple as that. Just go on there, and here is couple of tasks you will have, and maybe quiz option you will have. So just take this answer and put on there if you want. Okay, and that's it. This is the work, the simple work, everybody can do it. So among this time, and if you don't understand, if you feel sucks difficulty, you can definitely reach out to me for further information about it. Okay, so here is, it will be opened up like this, and I'm trying to go through main browser because Telegram has their one browser that is not much more efficient, and go through your browser. And my network is doing problem, therefore I'm not showing you properly that stuff. So it's slightly opening up. Let me see what the page looks like. Okay, so I'm hoping it will be opened up pretty soon. And here is you will have a couple of tasks, and you need to do those tasks efficiently. So here is task could be pop up, my network is doing problem. Maybe you will be able to get the work done more than faster than me. Okay, so you can do it. Okay, so here is the page would be like this. All items have been loaded in here, and if your network is so faster than me, you will be work it done so faster than me. Okay, so it's as much simple as that. Okay, let's say you done the glax task. If you face glax within the during the glax task, the join on the Discord problem, you can definitely join by this link. Okay, that is provided in here separately. So here is a latest post you will found. So this was the thing, and if you don't yet join in this channel, check out description box. It will be definitely would be benefit about it. So our challenge we did in here 2024 before 2025 challenge making $3,000. I wanna see in my wallet. Work on this, get update. Okay, we already take this and this. If I work on this on, I will put link on here. So pin post, I did this. So definitely you can be accountable of TV of mine. You can be as well as do the same thing that I'm doing. So check out description, it will be worthwhile to doing.